My friend Richard's been having horse trouble. He's had horses on his meadows all winter, and in the wet period we've had, they've really sunk in and chewed it up with our old heavy land. So he gave me a call to see if I could bring the Fergie up with the roll and we could roll some of it out. So this is him on the Fergie doing a bit of rolling. As you can see, the ground is pretty rough. There's old tractors bobbing around through the hoof marks. Rolls, in fact a wing roll, or a pup roll as we call it, from a set of Cambridge rolls. It probably weighs about half a tonne, but it's just been rolling out the horse marks quite well.